This is part 2 in a 3-part series on protecting your content-based business. I'm talking about how to make sure that you own your content. I'm Maria Spear Ollis, lawyer to content creators, and this is the Spear IP Show. The first way to make sure that you own your content, create it yourself. It sounds a little bit obvious, but if you create the entire thing yourself, it is likely that you own it. Unless you're an employee and you're somehow creating it in the scope of your employment for someone else. Do you have to mail yourself a copy in order for you to somehow own it? Do you have to register it with the Copyright Office in order to somehow own it? Nope and nope. That's it. Number 1, make sure that you created it yourself and you probably own it. Now, if you use others somehow in the creation of this content, whether it's editing a video, whether it's a copywriter that is somehow contributing to parts of your website, any third party, any other person that is contributing creative content to your overall work, that person should sign a contract making sure that you own the rights to that material. I call it an IP rights agreement. You might call it or have heard of it as a work for hire agreement or IP assignment agreement. Either way, you need to make sure that that person signs over the rights and their contribution to you. Otherwise, the default rule is that they own it. So it's that simple. 1, make sure that you created it. 2, making sure that anyone that contributed to your creative work signed a document confirming that you own the IP. That's it for part 2. Join me in part 3 where I'm talking about a long list of things that you can protect under copyright law, some of which I bet you hadn't thought of. See you next time. Hey, are you a blogger, podcaster, vlogger, dare I say, influencer? Well, I've got something for you that I think you're going to enjoy. Head to spear-ip.com/influencer and you will have access to my free audio recording. It's kind of like a little mini podcast episode. Easy legal strategy for content creators. I talked through 4 frequently Googled topics and give a little action item that you can DIY at the end of each of those topics. Again, that's spear-ip.com/influencer.